Okay, this video we make showing how to test the tabletop. Okay, for the tabletop we use this test device. Okay, firstly we will insert the test device to the socket and lock it, and also insert the cable. Okay, here. Okay, after we install the testing device, we need to make sure here, for this z-axis already touches the sensor. We can see the sensor is already light. So in this way, we cannot test the table when we press the table testing button, because this test device inside has a sensor, and this sensor use the same cable, electrical cable. So we need to let this height come down a little and shut down this sensor. Okay, and then this device can work. If this sensor light, the testing table cannot work. Okay, now we will check here. Okay, we can check here. Press this button and this one. We can see here the 4A. This is a light. That means the axis sensor is a light. We need to shut down it. Okay, let the head come down a little. Okay. Now we can press here and let the z-axis come down a little. We can see here is 0. We press this button. Yeah. Now it come to this any number, not 0. We can go back, check here. So we can see this the sensor is already off. Okay, we can double check here. It's off now, right? Then we can use this sensor to do the table test. Another one, we will check the testing device is good or not. We press this on, yeah, and we can check here, yeah. Check the 4A. We press here. We can see the signal is shining. That means this testing device is okay. Okay. Now another one, we will set up the speed for the table testing. In order to get a very good testing data, we use the slower speed. We press this button. We can see here the first lane. We just use this speed. This speed is already a slower one. Free speed 500. This the acceleration and deceleration is 1,500, and for the first one, cut one, that means the testing head, the down speed 30, up speed 50. Okay, so we set up this and go back this table, and we can line the high, go back to the 0 place. Okay, now we can press this one. This one, and like we can see X and Y, the axis all at 0 data. Okay, next one we will do the test. Press this button. We can double check here. Okay, configure. Yeah, we use this one. Yeah, we can see here, not this one. Test. Okay, we can see this button. We use this button to test the table. We can see this button is locked, so we need to unlock the machine firstly. Okay, press 1, 2, 3, 4, enter, unlock. So we see the button is workable now. So we can check everything. So the testing height is at 0 place, okay, and this sensor is in the light, and the test height is good, okay. Then we can press the test table button to do the test. Now the machine will use a slow speed to test the table flatness. Yeah. Okay, now the table test is finished. We can come back to the touch screen here. Okay, now we need to save the table testing data. Press this button. Okay, here shows save. Okay, also we need to back up the table data. Press this button. Okay, had backed up. Okay, that means saved successfully. Now we will use the table flatness information. Okay, we press the configure button. Okay, here we can see this one. When this button pressed, that means the program can use the table compensation for the cutting. Okay. Now the table test is finished. Okay.